Are you the best RV blinds? RV blinds are an essential component for enhancing privacy, managing light, and maintaining temperature control in your recreational vehicle. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-time RVer, choosing the right blinds can significantly impact your comfort and convenience. For this comparison, product number RV blind shades for camper window. This RV blind offers a balanced combination of functionality and affordability. With its pleated design and dimensions of 32 inches wide by 24 inches long, it fits standard camper windows and provides effective light control. The material feels durable, though it lacks premium finishes compared to higher-end models. It is available in neutral tones, making it versatile for various interior styles. Performance-wise, the blind provides decent privacy and blocks out a significant amount of sunlight, making it ideal for daytime use. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its lightweight frame and included mounting hardware. However, the pleats tend to lose shape over time. New NOVINO RV Blinds for camper window. The NOVINO RV Blinds are positioned as the premium option in this comparison, priced at $29.59. This model features a compact size, 26 inches by 24 inches, and high-quality pleated material that feels robust and well-crafted. The blind provides excellent light filtration and privacy, making it suitable for both daytime and nighttime use. Its sleek design complements modern RV interiors. This product excels in performance, maintaining its pleat structure over time, even with frequent adjustments. The mounting hardware is sturdy, ensuring a secure fit on RV windows. However, its smaller dimensions product number Dualax RV Blinds. The Dualax RV Blinds are the budget-friendly option in this lineup. Priced at $25.19. Designed with a simple pleated structure and black finish, this blind offers a minimalist aesthetic and effective light-blocking capabilities. The dimensions, 32 inches width, 24 inches length, cater to standard RV windows, and the black color enhances privacy and reduces glare. While this product performs well in terms of light control and privacy, the material feels thinner compared to other models, raising concerns about long-term durability. Installation is quick and easy, making it a convenient choice for first-time users. Overall, this is a solid option for those prioritizing affordability over premium features. Product 4. RV Blinds for camper windows. 32 inches wide by 24 inches high. This RV blind offers a subtle gray finish that blends seamlessly with various RV interiors. At $26.99, it falls within the mid-range price point. The pleated design provides good light filtration and privacy, while the 32 inches wide by 24 inches high dimensions make it suitable for standard windows. The gray color is particularly effective at reducing glare without completely darkening the space. The blind performs reliably, maintaining its pleat structure over time. Installation is straightforward, though the mounting hardware could be more robust. This model, Product 5 RV Blinds for camper windows. This model offers a sleek black design that prioritizes privacy and light-blocking capabilities. Priced at $25.39, it is an affordable option for RV owners looking for a minimalist aesthetic. The dimensions, 32 inches by 24 inches, make it compatible with standard windows, and the black finish is highly effective at creating a darkened environment. While the blind does an excellent job of blocking light, the material feels slightly flimsy, which may impact its longevity. Installation is simple, but the mounting hardware lacks the durability seen in higher-end models. This blind is best suited for users on a budget who prioritize privacy and light control.